Adam here from the Tint Academy. We made the Tint Academy the largest education company for window tinters and PPF installers across Canada and the United States. One way we did that is by our unique model of a hands-on approach to teaching automotive window film. From step A to step Z, you're going to be able to learn how to tint any car, truck, or vehicle and make money leaving Sunday night into Monday morning after our course. This unique hands-on approach is not seen anywhere else. We go by step by step by step. Plus, we give you all the marketing and the tactics to make sure your schedule is filled once you leave this course.